Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheila. If you have dry textured under eyes like me and every single concealer you try either pills, creases, or makes you look 10 years older, then I get it. I've tried a lot of eye creams, specifically for under concealer. And I'm going to be really honest, no PR, completely unsponsored. I found 2 eye creams that I full-heartedly trust under my concealers and makes my concealers look amazing. So let's talk about it. Before I get into the 2 products, I just want to explain why choosing the right eye cream for under your concealer is its own thing. It's not just about the hydration that it provides your under eyes. It's also about the texture that's going to work well with makeup products. The wrong eye cream, even a really good eye cream, can be too heavy, too greasy, or have the wrong type of slip where your concealer either slides off or then pills up on top of it, or it could repel the concealer and even increase the creasing under the eyes. For dry under eyes, you want to find the balance between enough moisture, but also too much and your concealer will likely crease and break apart throughout the day. Okay, so first up is going to be the Kiehls Avocado Eye Cream. This is the one that I've been using the longest. Here is my original jar. This is a mini, this is a small size. And all the lettering has been completely removed because I've used it so much. And it is almost completely empty. So I do have another one, but this is the one that I've used the longest and I've trusted the longest. The texture on this one is very rich. So this is perfect for wintertime or when your skin is extra dry. So here's what the texture looks like. So the thing about this one is that it is very creamy, but almost gel-like too. And what you want to do is warm it up between your fingers before tapping it under the eyes to help it absorb under the eyes. But it does provide consistent hydration throughout the day. You don't need a lot, you just pat it in, and by the time you're done with your skincare and your skincare has absorbed between 5 to 10 minutes, you're ready to go in with the concealer. And you'll notice that the concealer will actually stick really well to it too. It'll give me about 6 to 8 hours before I really notice creasing come through. But that's gonna be with any makeup. Without the eye cream, my under eyes look very dry and crepey within like an hour, 2 hours tops. The eye cream really helps extend the longevity on my dry skin. So a couple of things to note is that the Kiehls Avocado Cream is a little bit more on the pricey side when it comes to eye cream, especially when you want to use under makeup and for daily wear. It ranges anywhere between $35 to $40 depending on when you get it, but Kiehls does have a ton of sales throughout the year where you can get the avocado cream at a good price. And I will say that if you do have oily skin, this may be a little bit too rich for you to use under your eyes. If you have dry skin, this is literally perfection. Next up is the Byoma Barrier Repair Eye Cream. This one is brand new to my routine, but oh my God, it's so good. It's very different from the Kiehls under eye cream. I think this one is going to perform really well as the weather warms up and you get a little bit sweatier and you may not need something as thick as the Kiehls. The Byoma eye cream is excellent. It's definitely lighter. It's like a lightweight lotion. It has a bit of a slip to it, almost like a silicone, which what I've noticed is that when I apply this, the concealer lays really smooth under the eyes and it looks really beautiful on top of texture. In terms of longevity, it gives me about the same as a Kiehls does. So about 6 to 8 hours before I notice major creasing under the eyes. The best part of this is that it doesn't peel. It's significantly more affordable than the Kiehls eye cream. It ranges about $16, but you can also get it on sales. They sell it at Ulta, Amazon, Target, and you can pick this up on sale if $16 is still a little bit high for you, but overall, excellent eye cream. My only note about this one is that if you have a lot of dryness under your eyes, you're using a heavy retinol or something that is causing a lot more dryness, this may not be strong enough to take care of that on its own. You may want to go in with a hydrating toner under the eyes and then put a little bit of this eye cream under it to kind of double up that hydration. I like to use this more on warmer days, and then I'll use the Kiehls more on really cool days when I have a little bit more dryness in my skin. So here's how I would break it down. If your under eye dryness is severe and you deal with a lot of flakiness under the eyes, then I would recommend the Kiehls Avocado Cream because it's definitely much more oily and emollient, and it's a lot thicker and it's going to provide you more hydration under the eyes. If you have dry textured skin, but it's a little bit more on the mild side, or you find that you're going into warmer months and you don't need a heavy duty eye cream, then the Byoma Barrier Cream is very good. It's lighter, it absorbs a lot faster, and it's a lot easier on the wallet. For me personally, I love to use both. I've used Kiehls the longest, but I am excited about the Byoma. All right, so tell me, have you tried any of these eye creams for under your concealer? If you have a holy grail eye cream that works wonders for under eyes and under concealer, please drop it down below. I would literally love to know what you use. I'm always looking for a good eye cream to use under the eyes and under makeup. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye.